Hey everyone, welcome back. This is a informal vlog, impromptu. I have not been doing the vlogs lately. I don't know, I just haven't been grabbing my camera. I haven't been taking it out and just filming. I'm sorry for that. Don't be upset. Also, I just wanted to update you guys on where I've been. Just very short, a little short segment talking about where I've gone. I just haven't been here because I have not felt like it. Really, that plainly and simply, that's how I've been feeling. I just have not had any urge to film or record anything. I've just been relaxing this past month, maybe month and a half. I know I put out some videos that were pre-recorded, so it's been like a month and a half since I actually filmed. Trust me, it felt so good. I wasn't going to stay away for so long, but during the holidays, when Christmas crept around and New Year's, I was just like, yeah, I'm going to take a little break. I'm going to take a break. You know, it's much needed. So yeah, that's really it. I just haven't felt like recording and I wanted a break. I definitely was feeling a little beat. But you know, I'm back. It's the new year. And you know, I have a lot of things in store for you guys, a lot of videos that I want to create, and I'm going to stop making promises to you guys saying I'm going to create this and do this and da-da-da and that. I'm just going to put out what I can put out, and I know you guys are going to appreciate it because you guys are riders, okay? You guys have been here since day one. Some of you just got here, but hello, welcome. And yeah, I hope you stick around and enjoy whatever I show you guys. Like I said, today I'm just going to be doing a vlog. You're just going to be seeing me cleaning, really cleaning, cleaning more, because that's basically what I do on my downtimes. When I'm not filming and recording and producing content, I'm usually like cleaning, being a mom, nurturing things, holding kids. That's pretty much what I do on the daily. How have you guys been? How is your new year going? I'm excited. I'm ecstatic. Hopefully we can get outside more because, you know, this summer it's going to get warm real quick over here. So I'm hoping we can go outside more so my kids can experience the outdoors. Other than that, you know, life's been great. I'm just going to be totally honest with y'all. Other than that, family's well. I don't know if you guys can hear them screaming upstairs. They're playing. I told them to go upstairs for a quick second while I film this intro just so it can have a small bit of silence. But yeah, they're upstairs playing and, you know, being children. If you have not yet subscribed, you should go do so right now because you're going to see here family vlogs. You're going to see DIYs, hopefully. Makeup, nails, skin, beauty, everything in between. You're going to see that on this channel. Okay, this year's going to be the same but different at the same time. How, I don't know, but you know, just stay tuned so you can join the ride and you'll love it. You'll love it. Hopefully. I hope so. Please love it. Please join. So right now I'm just going to quickly clean up in my filming area. You guys can see the behind the scenes of, you know, where I film all my videos, my hair tutorials and all that stuff. I did film some hair content today. As you can see, fro is looking good. It's the fro for me. It's the fro for me. Yes. Fro is looking right today. Wait a minute. Wait, what'd you say? Yeah, so you guys will see that soon. Actually, you probably won't. If you head over to my Instagram though, they're gonna get the content for this due. So head over there. But yeah, let's just clean up a little bit. Let's clean up. So this is pretty much the overview of where I film at. This is my background that I use. It's just a small area that's actually connected to my baby's, my little kid's room, if you guys can see. Yeah, it's connected to the baby's room. So yeah, I just have this table that I got off Amazon. My lights are here. And then come over here, y'all can see the hair stash, right? this is where the products lie. Let's brighten this up for a second. So yeah, all right there. I got my PR, I got my electronics up here, shirts that I use. Yeah, even at the top of the closet. You know, it's just my background's over there. More hair products. My hair tools are in there. Also, my Rev Air is over there as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is pretty much the room. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly clean up in here, put stuff away, organize as much as possible. I do want to do a decluttering video for you guys. Some people have already asked for it because I usually declutter like my hair and makeup products like once a year, like a big, huge declutter. So I definitely want to do that soon. When, I don't know. I gotta find some time to do it. But I do want to do it soon because I did buy some new items for my room. I brought some stuff to decorate the wall with. I also bought a new like rolling crate so I can put my hair products and my tools and stuff on. So I want to film that too. So much that I want to film, guys. I just like have to have the time to do it. So yeah, let me just quickly clean up real quick. Where to put you guys? That is the question. So we're now in my kitchen and I wanted to show you guys some meals I actually eat throughout the week. I've actually been cleaning up what I've been eating. I've been eating a lot healthier and I've actually just been following what my body tells me. Like if I want food, I eat. If I don't eat. I don't overeat anymore. And it's been going good. I've been seeing some changes and I've been liking it. I've been enjoying it. So yeah, for the new year, I definitely wanted to change a lot of habits. And that is one thing I'm going to be sticking to this year, as well as working out again. I stopped and go, I stop and go and stop and go, but I'm definitely going to be starting in February. The reason why I'm actually postponing it is just because I am cutting out sugar. So trying to work out and cut out sugar, just a little too much, like a little too much. My brain can't quite catch that yet. So I just decided that I was just going to focus on cutting out sugar, and then I'm going to be working back out in February. So I'm excited. Do I look a little slimmer in the necks? So I've been actually using Bellway Super Fiber Supplement, and it's been maintaining my digestion. This may be a little TMI, but you know, we gotta be regular out here, okay? We need to be taking poops daily. And this has been doing just that for me. They are sponsoring this portion of the video, so shout out to you, Bellway, for sponsoring your girl and keeping her gut together. What I really like the most about this supplement and why I actually agreed to try this out, test this out, and feature it on my channel is because it's actually a natural supplement. So I'm happy that I know all the ingredients in this product, and the main ingredient is actually psyllium husk fiber. So I like that while you're using the supplement, you'll get less bloating. You'll feel a lot fuller for longer. Also, clear skin and healthy hair. So those are some key benefits of using this supplement. And I use about 1 to 2 scoops per day. For the first 3 days, they do recommend for you to use only a half a scoop, and then you can use 1 scoop a day. And you can drink it up to 3 times a day. Personally, I just add it right into my smoothie and you don't even know it's there, okay? It's doing its job on the low, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys how I whip this up. Check out Bellway's fiber supplement. I'm gonna make sure I leave a code for you guys, so you know, get regulated. Oh, get regulated. Oh, get regulated. Oh, get regulated. Oh, I can't go that low. taking a little nappy nap. So I'm gonna get her ready for bed. Wait. Wanna take a bath? Yeah, she's looking at the tub. Yeah, I see you. Hi. She's all nice and clean now. Wait. Look at the curls. Ooh, spinning. Ooh, spinning, Ray. There's your wavy. That time when I'm tired. It's late. Oh, that feeling when you pull off lashes, that feeling is unmatched. Yeah, I'm gonna just call this a night, guys. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know down below in the comments what else you want to see from me, and what do you want me to include in my vlogs from now on. Like, what else do you want to see in those vlogs? Because I'll do that. Yeah. Like I said in the beginning, if you want to see this hair, I know I had a ton of outfit changes. Side note, I had a ton of outfit changes today. You know, it's just what it is. Don't mind the different clothes I had on. But yeah, let me know what else you guys want to see from me, especially in the vlogs. I don't even think I showed the kids. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. But yeah, leave it down below. And don't forget to check out Bellway. I'm gonna leave their website down below and my code. You know, definitely show love on this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Do you like the shirt? My husband got it for me. See, significant otter. Isn't it cute? So subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.